Hi, Andrew here for tabletblog.de. I'm at the Acer press event in Hamburg right now, and in front of me I've got the new Acer Iconia Tab A200, the new TechWord 2 tablet from Acer, which will represent the low-end devices, the low-end tablet devices from Acer. It's got a dual-core TechWord 2 processor inside, 10-inch display, 1280 by 800 resolution, 1 GB of memory, and I think 8 or 16 GB of storage. You have to look at the article. I think they plan both versions. They are not very sure here which it will be here yet. Yeah, we've got a 2 megapixel webcam on the front. Here we've got a power button, port for audio out. Then we have a micro USB port, USB 2.0 host. A micro SD card slot is behind this lid here. Nothing on the bottom. Here you've got the connector for the PCU, a walker switch for the volume, a lock button for the accelerometer. No camera on the back, but 2 speakers on the bottom. It's actually a nice rubber feel here, although it's pretty heavy. Yeah, on here we've got Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich. It will ship with Honeycomb, Android 3.2 Honeycomb, but they will provide an update to Ice Cream Sandwich. Let's quickly confirm this in the settings. Here we go. Android 3.0.1, and this is the Acer Iconia Tab A200. Yeah, it will come to market in about 2 weeks, at least here in Germany. That's the plan right now, for 369 euros. I don't know the dollar price right now. And yeah, this is the Acer Iconia Tab A200 at the Acer Press event in Hamburg.